good for any outfit that you want to wear, and they come in very handy when you want to go shopping, want to go hanging out with the girls, when you're wearing your jeans and just a tote bag is a go-to. And we're going to say no to boring tote bags. I'm going to be showing you how to make this very fancy tote bag for yourself. You can gift it out to your loved ones as well. I see a lot of you are getting hooked to my channel because a lot of views are now coming from notifications and it's just overwhelming. Thank you so much for the love and for the support. I am growing a community of DIY lovers and I am so glad that you all are supporting this channel. If you're not yet subscribed, we are family. Just click the subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, I mean you have to enjoy it now because I'm going to be teaching you how to make this bag. So if you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. But right now, I know some of you can't wait. You're like, well, Jesus, let's see how you made this bag. Yeah, we're going to go right into the video now.
Ooh.
you enjoyed yourself watching this video. As usual, if you have any questions, drop your comments and I will respond to every single question as we guys how to make this tote bag. Of course, you don't want to ask me a question like, what did you eat last night? No, I know you're not going to do that. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Look, I want to use my bag to wave to you. Bye.